They did a little bit against Japan. There's Neymar. Most dangerous player. Neymar wants to be. And Neymar goes in.
Brazil don't move. He looks standing in the same positions.
There's Neymar looking to pull a few Croatian players out of their positions. Neymar. Rodrigo. This is the ball to his hero. Neymar. Starts drifting. Neymar. Rodrigo returns it. Neymar. They're walking the way through. Neymar.